This looks clean. Same thing on this side. Looking clean. Good connection with the Prinsu rack here. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like the channel, like the video, subscribe. Always looking out for more subs. So we'll see you next time. Hey everybody, it's Mark, Five Angels Outdoor. Welcome to this week's video. Pretty cool little accessory install video here. It's from New Holland Overland. We're going to put on some custom limb risers that they offer. So we look forward to that. We've been on some tight trails up there in Ocala National Forest and some others down here in Florida. You know, tree limbs smacking us in the windshield, that type of stuff. So we thought, hey, let's add some limb risers. Let's check it out, see how they go. New Holland Overland out of Michigan, they offer this product. So we're gonna install it and we'll show you what we got here. First thing we're gonna do is open the box. I'll show you what's in the box. All right, this looks like a pretty simple kit here from New Holland Overland. They're based out of Michigan, as you can see. And pretty simple, not very many parts. You know, we got some custom, they got some custom brackets for down on the hood line, some custom brackets that'll connect to the roof rack, little turnbuckle action, some wind protection pieces, and obviously the custom cut length lines, all looking good and wrapped in a black plastic. So that'll make it look good on the truck there. And but yeah, we're ready to go here. Let's see how this install goes. All right, here we're gonna get the install going. We're going to remove the trim pieces from inside the engine bay. Just a little plastic nuts, pulling those off, getting that set. And what we're going to do for the limb riser piece that holds the bottom part, we're actually going to reuse one of the little holes. We're going to drill it out here. And then what we're going to do is get a riv nut put in there. By making room for the nut, that'll allow us to secure the limb riser tab just pretty securely, pretty tightly. And we'll really get it in there so it's going to stay. Now, obviously, this limb riser was not designed for the Colorado, so it's going to take a little shimmying to get it sturdy, to get it stable. But what really this allows us to do is get it going. So we got that. We're gonna then go up to the top, and we have the top stability place, and you know, this is where we'll connect the actual riser cable to the top. We'll test fit it to the bottom before we get it all set up. All right, we have the limb risers installed. You know, these are made for Toyota, so you can really see that, you know, if something was made specifically for the Colorado, you know, we may have a better fit and finish. What I'm talking about here is obviously this, where I have this screwed in, is one of the spots where these clips hold this liner in. But the way that the Colorado is designed is that there's this area here, and obviously there's areas here as well. But in this gap here, it's not solid underneath. I think there's one point, like right here, where there's another body panel bolt. So if you were going to make, say, this limb riser for a Colorado specifically, what you'd really need to do is this this bottom piece really would have to be extended, would have to be long, and would have to go from about like right where my middle finger is to my thumb, because this is where that other bolt is. So it would be like a long base, and then you'd have to position the upright piece as you see fit, probably give a little bit more length to it. But yeah, so with the way the Colorado is done here, it's just very different from a Toyota. So in a sense, yeah, it works great, it looks good, but the problem is that obviously from a fit and finish perspective, you know, it's just, I've done what I can do, but that's about it. This side, you know, has this other interior trim piece right here, which makes it a little interesting to be able to get at, but same deal. You know, there's another bolt hole right here, but you'd really need that same thing. So if I were to design this piece specifically for the Colorado, what we'd have to do is really look at underneath these trim pieces to see where good points of securedness would be, so that way you know, you could make sure you can get something that's really nice looking and you know, and spec looking. So awesome. All right, here's passenger side. As I said, fits really nicely, looks good after the fact. Pretty tight here with the snorkel setup on this side, but otherwise looks clean. Same thing on this side, looking clean. Good connection with the Prinsu rack here. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like the channel, like the video, subscribe. Always looking out for more subs. So we'll see you next time.